When was the last time you actually sat down to study and your brain stayed with you for more than 10 seconds? Because for most of us, it feels like the moment we open a book, our mind goes, did someone text me? Or maybe I should just check Instagram for a second. And suddenly you're 30 minutes deep into nothing. And the worst part? You start blaming yourself. You think you're lazy or undisciplined or just not built for studying. But that's not true at all. Your focus isn't gone, it's just overstimulated. Your brain is so used to tiny hits of dopamine all day, scrolling, switching apps, checking notifications, that normal tasks feel painful. Studying feels slow, reading feels boring, even sitting quietly feels uncomfortable. But here's the good news. If your brain can be trained into distraction, it can be trained out of it. And it takes only about a week to feel the difference. Let's break it down in a simple, non-boring way. Think of this as a 7-day detox for your mind. Day 1 is just noticing how often you reach for your phone without thinking. You'll be surprised. It's like your hand has a mind of its own. And that awareness alone is shocking because it shows you how automatic your distraction has become. Day 2 is 1 hour with your phone in another room. Just 1 hour. Don't put it face down or on silent. Actually leave it far away. You'll feel this weird itch, like your brain wants something but doesn't know what. That's your dopamine craving slowly calming down. Day 3 is doing one thing at a time. Eat without scrolling, walk without earphones, study without checking anything. At first it feels boring, but after a while it feels peaceful. It feels like you're actually present in your own life again. Day 4 is a 20-minute deep focus sprint. Just set a timer and do one task with 0 interruptions. You'll be surprised how powerful 20 focused minutes feel when you haven't done it in a long time. You actually feel productive, and it feels good. Day 5 is cleaning up your digital space. Delete apps you don't use, turn off notifications you don't need, clear your home screen. It feels like cleaning your room, but inside your mind. Suddenly, things feel lighter and less chaotic. Day 6 is a low dopamine morning. For the first hour after waking up, don't touch your phone. Just drink water, stretch a bit, maybe sit in sunlight. It sounds simple, but your entire day feels calmer when you don't blast your brain with notifications right after waking up. Day 7 is the final boss. 2 hours of focused work. You can break it into smaller chunks like 20 minutes work, 5 minutes break, and repeat. By day 7, you'll notice something strange. Your brain doesn't crave distraction as much. It's like the fog is gone. You can actually sit, think, focus. And once you feel that again, real focus, you won't want to go back to the old habits. So if you've been struggling to study or constantly getting distracted or feeling like your brain is overloaded, just remember this. It's not you. It's your environment. And your environment can be changed. Try day 1 tonight. Just start. Your future self will thank you for it. And if you want to keep improving your habits, your routine, your mindset, stick around. Let's level up together.